In the quest for efficient and effective workouts, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has gained significant popularity. HIIT is a workout technique that alternates short, intense bursts of exercise with periods of active recovery. This approach not only saves time but also maximizes fat burning and boosts cardiovascular fitness. In this video, we will explore the benefits of HIIT workouts and provide a detailed guide for incorporating these workouts into your fitness routine for fast fat burning. First, let's know about the benefits of HIIT workouts. Number 1. Increased fat burning. HIIT workouts are highly effective for burning fat due to their ability to elevate your heart rate and metabolic rate during and after the workout. This results in a greater number of calories burned compared to traditional steady-state cardio exercises. Number 2. Time efficiency. These workouts are perfect for individuals with a busy schedule, as they can be completed in a shorter amount of time. With intervals ranging from 10 to 30 seconds of high-intensity exercise, followed by active recovery periods, a full HIIT workout can be completed in as little as 15 to 20 minutes. Number 3. Boosted metabolism. These workouts elevate your metabolic rate for several hours after the session, leading to increased calorie burning even when you're at rest. This effect, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC, helps you continue to burn fat long after the workout is over. Number 4. Preserves muscle mass. Unlike steady-state cardio exercises, HIIT workouts help preserve muscle mass while burning fat. This is crucial for maintaining a toned physique and preventing muscle loss, which can occur with prolonged endurance training. Number 5. Improved cardiovascular fitness. HIIT workouts. Challenge your cardiovascular system by pushing it to its limits during intense intervals. Over time, this improves your cardiovascular fitness, endurance, and overall athletic performance. Now let's talk about the HIIT workout routine. Start with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up, consisting of light cardio exercises such as jogging, jumping jacks, or cycling. This helps prepare your muscles and joints for the intense workout. After the warm-up session, perform each exercise for the designated time, followed by the specified recovery period. Complete the circuit 3 to 4 times, resting for 1 to 2 minutes between each circuit. First, jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Recovery, 20 seconds. Secondly, burpees, 30 seconds. Recovery, 20 seconds. Third, mountain climbers, 30 seconds. Recovery, 20 seconds. Fourth, high knees, 30 seconds. Recovery, 20 seconds. Fifth, squat jumps, 30 seconds. Recovery, 20 seconds. And sixth, plank, 30 seconds. Recovery, 20 seconds. High-intensity interval training is an effective and time-efficient method for burning fat and improving overall fitness. Incorporating HIIT workouts into your routine can help you achieve your fat loss goals while preserving muscle mass and improving cardiovascular health. Remember to start at a pace that suits your fitness level and gradually increase the intensity over time. With dedication and consistency, HIIT can help you attain fast and noticeable results in your fat-burning journey. That's all for today. If you want to know about what happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups every day, then click here.